Lucy and welcome back to a brand new video. If you cannot tell from the title, I'm going on holiday, so I thought I'd do a little pack with me, and my suitcase is here. It is literally full to the brim, and I'm so excited for this holiday. I've got so many great vlogs planned for this holiday. I literally cannot wait to show you guys. It's the first time that I've been to Puerto Banus, and yeah, I am so excited. Not been on a holiday in ages, and it is definitely well needed. If you wonder why my suitcase is already packed, I did film this last night and the footage was corrupt, so I'm just gonna run through with you guys again. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm taking on holiday with me. So without further ado, we may as well get straight on into it. I feel like the first thing I need to start off with is shoes, because I have so many good pairs of shoes that I'm taking on holiday, and they literally take up majority of my suitcase. I'm not even joking. And I've still got my makeup, hair straighteners, curler and all of that to put in here as well, and it will probably be a bit of an issue. Also got a beach towel that I need to put in here, so I'm hoping that I've got enough space to fit everything, but shoes are taking up the majority of the space. So the first pair that I'm taking with me are these white trainers from Adidas. Love these, super comfortable, and I feel like you can kind of wear these with dresses as well if you need to, and you can wear these literally all day, any day. I did pick these up from, I think, Foot Asylum ages ago. They were always in the sale. I've got two pairs of these and I absolutely love them, and I have freshly washed them, obviously, because you need to keep white trainers clean, and I feel like having a good pair of clean shoes just completely makes an outfit. If your shoes are not on point, it just kills the outfit completely. So yeah, this is why I'm taking like quite a few pairs of shoes with me. I've just got two pairs of flip-flops. These are from Hollister, and literally cannot go wrong with flip-flops around the pool. They're not too big or bulky like sliders, but yeah, just two pairs of flip-flops in obviously a black pair and this burgundy pair. And also black shoes, I don't find that they get over hot either on holiday. The next pair of shoes that I'm taking on holiday are these sliders, and these are a recent purchase of mine. Oh, just about dropped them. These are a recent purchase of mine, and I absolutely love these. They're like chunky and kind of just add a little bit of height. I feel like they really dress up an outfit as well. Not gonna lie, I do struggle to walk in sliders, so I'm gonna be like snail pace in these, but I just thought these were absolutely gorgeous and it needed adding to my collection, so I'm bringing these pair of sliders with me. Again, black, because they go with every single outfit. Moving on to the next pair of shoes that I'm bringing with me are some white heels. I cannot remember for the life of me where these are from. They're either PLT or I Saw It First or Misguided. I can't remember, but I've had these absolute years. I love that they've got like a block heel to them. They are uncomfortable still though, but white again goes with every outfit, especially if you want to dress an outfit up and whatnot. I feel like these will just go really well. I think with me, I only own one pair of heels, which is probably an issue because these are not the comfiest. I have fallen over in these before. Like, I'm literally the worst person for walking in heels as it is, but I just find it so hard to find any heels that actually do fit. And then finally, the last pair of shoes. These are literally my favourite. Are we ready for the reveal? Because when I say these are my favourite, these are literally my favourite pair of shoes ever. They're my Jordans, and I literally couldn't wait to wear these. So these are in like a coconut yellow colour, white and black, and when I say I'm obsessed with these are literally my babies, and I love this pair of shoes. So they're the main set of shoes that I am taking with me on holiday. I really want to get a pair of Dunks as well, but I literally cannot find any that I like enough or in my size, so I'm struggling on that point. Now I've shown you all my shoes, you can see why it's taking up majority of my suitcase and the issue that I'm kind of having with that. Moving on to the next items, I thought I'd just show you these shorts I'm taking with me. I've got three pairs of denim shorts. So we've got a blue pair, a black pair and a white pair. This white pair has literally just been washed, so they're a little bit creased. I feel like I need to iron them, but they're a little bit damp as well because I have only just washed them. These black and blue pair are from Zara last year. They still sell them on the site now, and yeah, literally cannot go wrong with some high-waisted mum denim shorts. But again, like, denim shorts can be quite uncomfortable, so hopefully when I'm out there I can do some shopping and find some more comfier sets. I feel like I've left it so late to buy summer clothes. There's literally hardly anything online, and the place I'm going has got a really big Zara as well, so I'm looking forward to looking in there. But yeah, I'm just taking 3 pairs of shorts. These are literally all the colours that you need. I kind of feel like I want a darker pair of blue denim jean shorts, but I've not managed to find a pair that I like enough. Moving on to the next items that I'm taking with me are more like dressier kind of tops for the evening or even daytime as well. So I'm taking this Zara twist knot top. Again, this needs an iron and it's still damp because I did my whitewash earlier. So yeah, I'm definitely taking this with me. I've literally worn it to death since I've got it, and you'd have seen that in like my last Zara haul. So it is still on site and I definitely recommend picking that up. The next top I'm taking with me is a new addition to my wardrobe. I've not shown this yet and I have literally just purchased it yesterday. So it is this Opoly corset top. It fits so nicely. The only thing is, I would say the straps are a little bit too long, but they've got like this rope detail. It's absolutely stunning. They do this in so many colours, fits so nicely. The straps are adjustable, but even on the tighter notch they do fall down a little bit, but nonetheless I just think this is so gorgeous, so flattering, and with one of those pairs of denim shorts I just think that would be such a vibe, and I just love wearing white in the summer. The next top I'm taking with me, I feel like this is going to be so hard to show you guys, but it's more or less like, let's say, a triangle bikini top that goes round the back. Again, this is from Opoly, and then it's got this little detail along the front, like mesh detail. I feel like if I go to a beach club or something like that, I can chuck this on and it'll look really nice with the white shorts. And again, this is from Opoly, so I cannot wait to wear both of those tops. I'm not even sure if I'm going to wear this, but I just thought I'd take it anyway. It's this long sleeve pink satin shirt, and I picked this up from Primark a couple months back, and I just absolutely love the colour of this. The only thing is, I would say it's a little bit too long, but I could always tuck that in or tie it up, so it's not too much of an issue. But I just think this pink colour is honestly so stunning for the summertime. And then again, I'm going for like another long sleeve moment. I don't really have too many summer things, but we'll come on to the dresses in a sec. But it's just this blue Bordeaux cropped top, and I think this is from Boohoo. Yeah, this is from Boohoo quite a while ago, well over a year. Majority of my wardrobe's black, white and grey, so I feel like when I add the pinks and the blues in, it just kind of make it a little bit more summery, because I am literally struggling on the summer point because I've not bought too many summer clothes this year because I didn't think I was going on holiday. And then I've also just quickly packed my pyjamas. These are just my Victoria's Secret satin pyjamas, and I think that they're like the best pyjamas to wear because you don't overheat in them, especially satin. It's just like so comfortable as well. Shall I go on to my like other tops now, showing you the dressier tops, or shall I show you like continue on with the evening theme of the dresses? The evening. I feel like I should show you my evening dresses. I've got this one from Zara. Of course it's going to be Zara because we all know my loving relationship with Zara, but it's this like tight fitted black dress, and I feel like a little black dress you literally cannot go wrong with, and it's got like a cutout detail here. This is one of my favourite dresses ever. I feel like I don't have the opportunities to wear this as much as I'd like to. I did actually wear this when I went to London and I absolutely loved it. I actually bought it in London and went to, where did I go? I went into the Ivy wearing this dress. So, you know when you just like associate an item of clothing to where you've been or what you've done? This is what I call my London black dress, and I absolutely love it. I think I even went to shard in it because I lack dresses that much. Moving on to the next dress. This one is quite, I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this because it's quite big and bulky. So again, it's kind of like Bordeaux, but then it does up around your neck. You'll probably see this on in my vlogs. It's just like a really puffy like skater skirt style dress. Like it cinches you in at the waist. It goes quite low here, so I did actually put a little stitch in just to make it like a little bit more covered up, because I felt if I bent down or anything, everything would be on display and I didn't quite want that. And then it just kind of puffs out. I'm not sure if the camera can actually pick up the style of this dress, but it is like so nice and flowy and you don't overheat, but it is quite chunky that it does take up quite a lot of space in the suitcase. Again, it's black, so like again, I'm kind of struggling on that front with the dresses, so I'm hoping that I can actually buy some dresses out there and like go a bit more out of my comfort zone with some colour. But I also do have a white little play suit, white skater dress, but my boyfriend's sister borrowed that from me, so I'm gonna hopefully get that off her before we go on holiday. And I'm also borrowing a beach towel off her, so I just need to remind myself to get that, otherwise I've got like a lack of dresses. But then in the daytime I do have like a couple of dresses just to chuck on like over a bikini. So this is literally one of my favourites. It's from Topshop, years and years and years old. Again, it's like a white skater dress kind of style. I like the fact that there's like a load of fabric at the top of it, just so then you don't need to like wear anything and your nips aren't showing, especially with it being white. It is a little bit see-through, but chuck this on over a bikini, it's just like so nice and flowy. You're not going to overheat, you're not too restricted. And sometimes denim, when it's too hot, like my denim shorts, it's just like a little bit of an issue. So yeah, I've got this white dress to wear, which I absolutely love. I just know I'm going to get so much wear out of that. And then I've also got this dress. I feel like this is quite wintry though, in a weird kind of way, probably because it's got like 3/4 like sleeves and everything. But I'm not sure if I've overworn this over the last couple of hot summer days that we've had in England. But it kind of just goes down. Again, they still sell this. It's from Boohoo, and I did actually add this in my Boohoo haul. I just like how flowy the skirt is and everything, like, and the way that it fits. I did actually put this on my TikTok, and a lot of you guys love this dress. So yeah, it's definitely worth picking up, and you can literally dress this up or dress it down. So I might have to end up wearing that dress in the evening if I've got no other evening outfits, or if I run out of something like that. And I've also got a beach cover up, which is actually kindly borrowed from my boyfriend's sister, which I absolutely love, and it's got like little pink pom-poms on it, and I just think that that's so adorable just to chuck on and wear around the pool. It's just like ideal, and I don't have anything like that. Moving on to bikinis, we do have a slight issue in this department. My bikinis don't fit the best. I've ordered some off Shein like 2 weeks ago, and they're planning to arrive next week when I'm on holiday, so just love that for me. So I've got like a few to kind of like deal with, but I don't like them. I'm not loving them. I'm not obsessed, and like I've been looking and scrolling on the internet ages trying to find stuff. Things will be out of stock, like the top and the bottoms will be out of stock in different sizes. They'll have one, not the other, and it's been so frustrating. Like I know every single site and every single bikini because I've just been endlessly scrolling. So again, when I'm on holiday, I'm gonna have to do some more bikini shopping. But these are like some bikini bottoms that I bought from River Island last year, and then the matching top. I feel like this is so flattering, but it's not like the best for tan lines. That's the only thing, because it's got like so many different cutouts and the straps are quite thick. And again, it's kind of, because it's black and white, the white is slightly stained a bit yellow from sun cream when I've worn it before. And then the next top is this top. I absolutely love this little black bikini top. Don't think you can go too far wrong with black, but it's then got high-waisted bikini bottoms, and like I say, they just don't like work out too well. So I do actually have these like patterned bikini bottoms, because the top doesn't fit me too well when I bought it. So I could potentially wear that bikini top with these bikini bottoms. Not too sure, but like I say, I am absolutely struggling. And then I've got like another pair of black bikini bottoms. I don't think it's enough, and I feel like I just want to wear like bright colour. Like I really want like a bright blue, bright pink bikini and just kind of be out there, but I've literally not found any I like, and I'm like so picky on patterns as well. Or like I'd order them and they literally just don't cover anything, and I've sent a load back today. So I'm definitely struggling on the bikini front. So yeah, in my vlogs I'll keep you updated if I actually find any bikinis to wear, because that's the main thing that I'm struggling on. And I bought so many nice cover-ups as well. Again, they're not going to arrive until next week. It's an issue, but I'm still going to have a great holiday. The final bits to show you on my tops. I don't need this many tops for a 7-day holiday, but I'm taking majority of them with me regardless. So this is like a mocha brown top. I feel like this just works well with any of the jeans, and the fact that it's a t-shirt, it does cover my shoulders as well. So if I do get a little bit of sunburn, because I've not seen sunlight in probably about 3 years, then I've got this and it will kind of sort me out. Watch me just wear that every single day, because I'm like burnt to a crisp on the first day. Praying that's not going to happen. I've got this little black crop top. I absolutely love like the details on this, and I literally cannot wait to wear that. Talking about crop tops, I've literally got so many different crop tops all here, and I've actually got another white one that I want to get, but the ones I wanted to show you is actually this one, which I think will like go so well with bikinis because it's like a halter neck and then it's backless as well. Got this from H&M and I've also got it in black, and they're just so nice and flattering. And then I got this crop top from Zara. I've got this in white as well. I've been wearing it so often, like you would have seen it probably in my last video actually. I was wearing the white version of this, so it has been washed today in my white wash that I did, but I just absolutely love this on like hot days. It's like a layering piece, and then you can like just throw a shirt on over the top. So like my white one, I could then have my pink satin shirt open over the top if I wanted to. So yeah, just like a load of crop tops and stuff like that, because I don't wear them any other time really. The last remaining 3 tops, these are years old from Zara. Like you would have seen these everywhere when they first came out. I think it was like in the lockdown, but again I'm trying to add a little bit more colour because I think everything is so dull and so boring that I'm taking. But it's just like this blue crop top in like the same style. I bought it in like 3 different colours. Obviously I bought it in black, but like I say again, this could just cover your shoulders. It's a crop top, it's going to be lightweight, and I just thought these are going to be so handy for the holiday, so I am taking those with me. I also need to pack so many like toiletries, makeup, sun cream, shampoo, conditioner and all of that stuff. So I've got a lot to think about. I think I just need to write a whole list and see what I'm taking with me, and I've still got my hand luggage to pack. And then before I forget, I do actually have this beach bag which is years old. I've again washed it, not like you can tell that I've washed it. It's from Victoria's Secret because I think I spent so much money like years ago that I got a free beach bag, but I think these just get absolutely ruined and wrecked, and I'm buying out of season, so I can't actually buy like a nice one. So this will kind of do. It's got a zip so that I can like zip everything up and like keep everything together. So yeah, that's like the main thing, and it will fit like beach towels and all sorts of stuff in it, so love that. As for going out bags, I am taking this one with me, which I absolutely love the style of this, like a little circle bag, and then it's got like all the gold details and the long strap to it. I don't actually know where this one was from either, because again this is borrowed off my boyfriend's sister, and I feel like this will go with so many outfits and it just gives beachy vibes, which I absolutely love. Also I've got my sunnies, so these ones I'm taking. Do I look like a pilot in these? Basically when my boyfriend got his private pilot license, his mate went to watch Top Gun, like the new Top Gun, and saw these from Cinema Deluxe, and now I've inherited them because my boyfriend didn't want them, but it was like a funny joke that he got them for being maverick or whatnot. And then I've also got these sunnies from Michael Kors, which are like the blue lens, and I'm really not sure if these suit me. I feel like sunglasses just don't suit me at all, and I just feel like I can't pull sunglasses off. So yeah, we've got that pair, and I really do need to give them a good clean. I think I'm going to take them in hand luggage, and I'm going to like take like a few bits in hand luggage so things don't get lost. I also need to remember to pack my underwear, because that's the last thing I want to forget on holiday, is that. What else do I need to pack? I think I'm going to take my Starbucks cup with me in my hand luggage for like water, so that I can just get bottles of water and put it in there, because I feel like that will make me drink more, especially in the heat. Honestly, just trying to think of things to pack and like chargers and everything, I just know I'm going to forget stuff, but like I say, we can buy stuff out there. So I think that is pretty much me packed or unpacked, because I've literally just taken everything out my suitcase, but it's like jogged my memory on what I have packed and what I need to pack. So if you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe down below, especially to keep updated on the holiday vlogs and what I get up to. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another video.